What is up there, YouTube? This is J-Man Time, and today I have another video on yet another navy from the continent of Africa. And in today's video, we're going to go over some of the modern warships or modern vessels produced for the Eritrean Navy. Yes, Eritrea, a country in northern Africa in the Horn of Africa, right between Ethiopia and Djibouti and Somaliland, has been manufacturing some of their own naval vessels and Coast Guard patrol vessels since the early 2000s, while also buying some newer vessels, mainly from China and Australia, also since the early 2000s. Now, Eritrea has had a navy since gaining its independence from Ethiopia following the Ethiopian Civil War and the Eritrean War of Independence, which ended in the year of 1990-1991, during a time in which the Eritrean rebels, or the Eritrean Liberation Army, actually managed to defeat the Ethiopian Navy during what was known as the Second Battle of Massawa, also known as Operation Flint Hill, in 1991. After the defeat of the Ethiopian Navy, the Eritreans had captured a number of Ethiopian warships that were manufactured mostly by the Soviets, but also by the Americans and the Israelis and the Chinese, and those vessels were later pressed into service with the newly established Eritrean Navy starting in 1990-1991. Well, most of those ships are now old and have been sold for scrap or decommissioned. And since the early 2000s, the Eritreans have been manufacturing some of their own naval combat vessels with help from the strangest of countries, the nation of Australia. Yes, an Australian company by the name of Seachrome has been helping the Eritreans manufacture some of their own naval vessels and has also helped them purchase some Chinese-made vessels and do repairs on some of these Chinese-made vessels and Israeli vessels that have been purchased over the last 25 years. So let's go over some of the newer vessels that have been produced by Eritrea or have been purchased by Eritrea over the last 2 decades. And we're going to start off with the newest combat vessel on the list, and that is the Amber Bib class of patrol gunboats that were actually purchased from China in the year of 2022. The Amber Bib class is a class of Chinese Jianglong class of 35-meter long high-speed patrol boats that were manufactured starting in 2009 and are still being manufactured today in China. Eritrea purchased these vessels in the year of 2002, and currently there are 2 of these vessels serving in the Eritrean Navy, the PC-84 Ingo and the PC-85 Amber Bib herself, which are now the 2 most modern vessels serving in the Eritrean Navy. These vessels have a displacement of between 100 and 150 tons. Their main armament is one twin 14.5mm or 23mm dual-purpose autocannon of various make and model, either the Soviet-made or Russian-made or Chinese-made autocannons, and 3 12.7mm W85 or QJZ-89 heavy machine guns, which are some of the standard machine guns also used by the Eritrean armed forces. These vessels have a length of 33.2 meters or 108 feet, and they have a speed of 28 knots or 51.8 kilometers per hour or 32.1 miles per hour, and a range of 500 nautical miles, and have a crew of 10 who can carry upwards to 30 sailors in total. And these 2 vessels here, the Ingo and Amber Bib, are the most modern vessels in the Eritrean Navy, but these are not the vessels that have been manufactured by the Eritreans. The next vessel on the list, or the next class of vessels on the list, is one of the most advanced vessels to be manufactured by the Eritreans, and that is the Harena 17 class of high-speed patrol gunboats that first entered service in 2013. Currently, there are about 2 to 4 of these vessels that have entered service with the Eritrean Navy since 2013. These vessels were actually manufactured by the Eritrean-owned Harena boatyard, which is actually a boatyard that collaborates with the Australian-owned Seachrome boat manufacturing company, also based in the port region of Assab. Assab being a coastal region or a coastal port city in Eritrea, where most of the Eritrean-made boats or combat vessels are actually manufactured. And that is where these Harena 17 class boats were produced. These boats have a displacement of 17 tons, hence the name Harena 17. They are armed with two twin 14.5mm dual-purpose autocannons. They have a maximum speed of 60 knots, or 101.1 kilometers per hour, or 69 miles per hour, and a maximum combat range of 500 nautical miles, and a crew of between 8 and 4. And these vessels entered service in 2013 and are currently being used by the Eritrean Navy and are some of the fastest boats being used by the Eritrean Navy as of this year of 2025. Another class of patrol boat or heavy patrol boat used by the Eritreans is the Harena/Seachrome Marine 17-meter patrol boats, which first entered service between the years of 1999 and 2000. These are some of the first vessels that were jointly produced by both the Eritreans and the Australians operating in Eritrea. These vessels have a displacement of 36 tons. They are armed with either one or two twin 14.5mm dual-purpose autocannon. They have a maximum length of 55.7 feet, and they have a speed of 35 knots, or 64.8 kilometers per hour, or 21.7 miles per hour, and a crew of 8, and a maximum combat range of 680 nautical miles. It is unknown how many of these vessels serve in the Eritrean Navy, but there's at least 4 to 8 of these vessels currently serving as of this year of 2025, and they are still in production. Both the military version and a civilian version of this vessel is also produced without weapon system. The Harena Seachrome Marine 17 patrol boats from 1999 2000. Another class of Chinese-made patrol gunboat used by the Eritreans is the Zhenglong 38.8-meter class of patrol gunboats. These gunboats were first purchased by the Eritreans and in 2019. Their main armament is one twin 14.5mm dual-purpose autocannon, and they have a maximum length of 38.8 meters, or 127.2 feet. The displacement is upwards to 254 tons maximum. The speed of these vessels is 34 knots, or 62.9 kilometers per hour, or 39.1 miles per hour. They have a maximum combat range of 600 nautical miles, and they have a standard crew of 10, but can carry upwards to 15 to 20 crew maximum. Currently, the Eritreans have at least 2 to 4 of these vessels, maybe even more vessels, since these vessels were originally purchased in 2019, and the Eritreans are still looking to buy more of these vessels as of the year of 2025. The Chinese-made Zhenglong class 38.8-meter class of patrol gunboats from 2019. 2 of these vessels that are currently serving in the Eritrean Navy are given the names Zula and Raka, and still serve in the Navy as of now of 2025. Another more bizarre class of Eritrean-made warship is the Harena VEKA 001 class of spy boat that entered service in the year of 2014. Now these are steel and aluminum spy boats or spy vessels that are designed to look like the wooden civilian fishing vessels that are currently being used by many of the fishing industries in Eritrea. But don't be fooled by its outward appearance. This is literally a spy vessel that is owned by the Eritrean Navy, designed to probably spy on neighboring countries to Eritrea that may be rivals of the Eritrean military/navy. Now the displacement of these vessels is unknown. Their main armament is usually two twin 14.5mm machine guns or autocannons. They have a maximum length of 30 meters or 98.5 feet and a maximum speed of only 18.5 knots or 34.2 kilometers per hour or 21.2 miles per hour. Their range is unknown, but usually they have a crew of about 12. And an unknown number of these vessels have been produced since the year of 2014, and they have been spotted along the coast of Eritrea and also in the shipping lanes of the Red Sea, which is the main body of water adjacent to Eritrea. The Harena VEKA 001 class of Eritrean spy patrol boats from the year of 2014. And the smallest and most common class of Eritrean-made patrol boat was actually originally made as a civilian fishing vessel. And this is the Harena/Seachrome Marine 11-meter long line boats that first entered production in 1999. These were originally civilian vessels, or at least were designed as civilian vessels, but have been redesigned as simple patrol boats for both the Eritrean Navy and the Eritrean Coast Guard. These vessels have an unknown displacement. Their main armament is usually one 7.62 or one 12.7mm machine gun if they have any weapons at all. I've also seen some of these vessels being fitted with rocket launchers, multiple rocket launchers, usually the 107mm rocket launcher, or single tubes from either the Grad or old-fashioned Katusha style rocket launchers. The length of these vessels is upwards to 11 meters or 36 feet, and they have a speed of around 18.5 knots or 34.2 kilometers per hour or 21.2 miles per hour, and usually a crew of around 4 to 6 maximum, especially if they have weapon systems on board. And these are some of the most common tow vessels seen off the coast of Eritrea and used by both the Eritrean Navy and the Eritrean Coast Guard. Now, the Eritreans have continued to upgrade and come up with new versions of the Harena Seachrome 11-meter longline boats. There's also a police version of this boat used by the Naval Police and the Port City Police. And there's also a slightly upgraded armored police/naval version of this vessel, also used by both the Eritrean Navy, the Coast Guard, and some of the military police units of the Eritrean Armed Forces. When I say these vessels are super common, I mean they are very common. These are probably the most mass-produced class and modified class of patrol vessel used by the Eritreans, by the Eritrean Navy, and the Eritrean Coast Guard. The variety or different variations of the Harena Seachrome Marine 11-meter longline patrol boats from originally 1999, and these vessels are still in production to this day as of 2025. So one of the longest produced class of vessels to serve in the Eritrean Navy/Coast Guard. And that's basically it. These are the most modern vessels designed for the Eritrean Navy and the Eritrean Coast Guard, and some of the other coastal policing forces operating in Eritrea, like the Fisheries Protection and the Eritrean Police, which also has some boats in service with their armed forces, with their battalions. This shows that Eritrea is at least trying to modernize. They're not still relying on the old Soviet-era vessels that were captured from the old Ethiopian Navy after Operation Fitgo/the Second Battle of Massawa back in 1990-1991. But what do you think of this? What do you think of these modern Eritrean-made vessels and Chinese-made vessels currently being used by Eritrea? Which of these were your favorite? If I had to choose, my favorite of the Eritrean-made vessels would be the Harena 17 class and the Harena BEKA-001 class of patrol spy boat used by the Eritreans. And if I had to go by the Chinese-made vessels, I guess the first one on the list, the Amber Bib class of patrol gunboat, would be my favorite of the Chinese purchased vessels, the Chinese-made vessels serving in the Eritrean Navy. But what do you all think of these? Please tell me in the comment section below. And until next time, this was a J-Man Time signing off.